Hey, all you viewers to be named later, how we doing today? I know. You see by that big old green box on the table? We're going to take a look at something else by CRKT today. But you already knew that because you clicked on the thumbnail, the picture, or whatever, and brought you right here. That's right, today we're going to take a look at CRKT's Inara. Now, for those of you who know my channel, you guys know I really like gentleman's blades. This one, in its simplicity and its design, not to mention like the nail net going into like right through here, the way that looks with a big old swoosh, I went, yeah, I need to bring that to the channel. It just fits everything to me that a gentleman's blade is, which is nothing like too, aggressive, too combat oriented. It's a simple blade that you can carry around in like a dress suit, dress clothes, and it's not really going to attract a lot of attention to you. All right, now this little baby is a Richard Rogers design. I think it's one of the first I've had by him on the channel, to be honest. Please don't quote me. I've done a bunch of blades, and, speaking of that, look up top. You're going to see a card for every single affordable, everyday carry blade I've ever brought to the channel. There's a lot in there, so I've actually forgotten a bunch of, like, one-timer or two-timers, unless it's, like, really huge guys like Ken Onion. I remember that. But let's get to the fun part, okay? So overall, it's got a length of 6.625 inches. The blade itself is 2.75, and closed, it's 3.825. Now, this thing has a very, very minor weight to it of 1.80 ounces. Now, as you can see, it's done in the Warncliffe style. It's got a plain edge with a hollow grind, and yes, the blade steel is 8CR14 MOV. I know a lot of you guys are going, oh, well, I'm going to sharpen that a lot, crap steel, blah, blah, blah. Look, it's just part of having a blade. You're going to get to know your blade, you're going to sharpen your blade, and you're going to have fun with it. Alright, that just sounded weird. Anywho, alright, as you can see, it has a black stainless steel frame with a frame lock, and it has one texturized G10 scale. Now, I wish they'd kind of do it on both sides, but that's just me. I'm getting a little tired of just one side. Now, it has only one way to carry it, which is right-hand carry, tip up. Now, they tell you it's got a thumb stud open, but I'll be honest, until you break it in, it's a little rough. See, like, there. But it does have the IKBS system, so it's supposed to be a really, really smooth opening. I can tell you by grabbing it, opening it, no problem. But with the thumb studs, for me, it's generally kind of a hit or miss. All right? And yes, it is made in China. Okay, now for the really fun part of this. Guys, if you're brand new to my channel, I usually do 3 cut tests. They're really, really simple, okay? Heavy-duty stock paper. Wow. Okay. That's no es bueno. Yeah, I'm picking up a lot of paper on the blade. I really didn't expect it to tear that way. Wow. Okay. So, paracord. And, of course, Mr. Ratchet Strap fell on the floor. So we got to get him. He knows what's going to happen to him, and he jumped off the table running. All right, guys. So what we're going to do is just simple, pull test. Yeah, I had to put a lot more effort in that than I wanted to. Okay. Simple slice test. Went right through that, no problem. Alright, he tried running, but we got him. Mr. Ratchet Strap. Yeah, through that, no problem. I don't know what it is with that paper. Wow. Alright, but those tests kind of cleaned up. Well, no. It still picked up some fuzzies and whatnot. Okay, so I went out and took a look in our usual spots online. On Amazon, CRKT, and Blade HQ. I purchased this on Amazon, and it was $51.10. CRKT, $64.99, and Blade HQ, where I should have bought it, $39.95. It's only been reviewed in one place, and that was Blade HQ. It's been reviewed 3 times for a 4.5 out of 5-star rating. Okay, so here's the interesting part of the video for me, and I really truly love this moment in the video. I want to know your Questions, comments, love, hatred, anger, whatever, down below in the comment section. Do you think she's nice or an F-bomb? Nice or an F-bomb? Please remember, it's a gentleman-style blade. This is not designed for bushcraft or combat. It's more like an everyday carry folder that won't scare the people who are afraid of blades. Okay, guys. Now, if you're a first-time viewer of my channel, I just want to say thank you so much for viewing this video. Look, I know there's a ton of options out there, especially with all of us still on lockdown. Okay? And yes, I'm filming this May 21st, 2020. And I'm very, very grateful for the time you gave me today. Now, for you first-time viewers and you long-time viewers of the channel who have yet to subscribe, well, my first question is why? Leave me a comment right down below. Tell me what I can do to earn your subscription. It's kind of like my job, right? I give you good quality content. Hopefully I earn your view time, your like, and your subscription. So give me something you might want to see that I could do differently to earn your subscription. And let's be constructive here. Now, after you've done all that, take a look right down here. You're going to see a big channel symbol popping up. Go ahead, click on that thing. It's going to bring you right to subscribe. After you've gone ahead and knocked that out the way, if you so choose, please destroy the bell icon that's right next to it. Here's why. By doing that, it will enable you to notify yourself every single time this channel uploads a brand new video. Now, speaking of those videos, 2 will be popping up over here. Those are going to be videos that YouTube is going to select from my catalog that they feel are a great viewing experience for you. But there we go, guys. My quick tabletop look at the CRKT Inara. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope all of you have an incredible day today.